nasasaksihan ng ating mga kabataan ngayon. Mahirap nang ihanda ang kanilang magandang kinabukasan. Matinding paghubog at paghahanda ang kailangan upang ang ating mga kabataang lalaki ay maggabayat sa tamang daan tungo sa magandang kinabukasan. Pastoral formation, ang pakikibahagi, paglilingkod at pagtulong sa kapwa.
Even when I left the seminary, I always try to make sure that service be part of my work. When I became a lawyer, I joined an alternative law group servicing on the more deprived sectors of society.
Hindi man ako nakapampare. Marami pang pwedeng gawin sa community. Serving the church, serving the community, serving the people of God.
I also do work for communities, especially with my volunteer work with a non-profit organization, Click Me Mobile Education. We help high school dropouts get back on track with ALS so that makapag-graduate sila ng high school.
Part of what I am now is because of my training nung nasa seminary ako, which mahirap i-describe. It's a different experience. Naging part na yun ng buhay namin. The discipline, education, lahat.
At the Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, education goes deeper. So whether you become a priest or not, you are expected to become men of faith, character, discipline, and mission. It's not just about preparing your kids for college. It's about preparing them for life, and most importantly, preparing them for service. Holy Rosary Minor Seminary, it's a formation community for leadership and for mission.
Holy Rosary Seminary. Tungo sa magandang kinabukasan.
Ito po si Archbishop Rex. Inaanyayahan kayo sa pagtuklas ng bukasyon, panawagan ng Panginoon. Baka tinatawag kayo na maglingkod bilang pari. Maglingkod sa simbahan, sa community, sa mga nangangailangan. Tara na, and let us discern kung ano ang panawagan sa atin.
Forming servant leaders since 1785.